Top 5 Effective Social Media Marketing Strategies. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the world of social media marketing and exploring the top 5 strategies that can skyrocket your business's online presence. So grab a notepad and pen because we have some valuable insights to share. Let's get started. Number 5. Define your goals. The first step to any successful social media marketing campaign is to clearly define your goals. What is it that you want to achieve through your social media efforts? Are you looking to increase brand awareness, drive traffic to your website, generate leads, or boost sales? When setting goals, it's important to make them specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound, SMART goals. Number 4. Know your audience. Next, it's crucial to understand your target audience. Who are the people you want to reach and engage with on social media? Take the time to research and identify the platforms where your audience spends most of their time. Each social media platform has its own unique user base and demographic characteristics, so tailoring your content to suit their preferences will maximize your reach and engagement. Number 3. Engaging content creation. Now let's talk about content creation. Engaging content is the lifeblood of any successful social media marketing campaign. Your content should be informative, entertaining, and visually appealing. It should provide value to your audience and evoke emotions that drive engagement. Experiment with different formats such as videos, infographics, blog posts, interactive quizzes, and user-generated content to keep your audience hooked. Additionally, stay up to date with the latest trends and incorporate them into your content strategy. This will demonstrate your brand's relevance and ability to adapt to the changing social media landscape. Number 2. Influencer collaborations. One of the most effective ways to expand your reach and build credibility is through influencer collaborations. Influencers are individuals who have a significant following and influence within your target audience. Identify influencers or micro-influencers who align with your brand values and have an engaged audience. Remember, when selecting influencers, focus on relevance and engagement rather than just follower count. Micro-influencers with a smaller but highly engaged audience can often provide better results than macro-influencers with a larger but less engaged following. Number 1. Analytics and optimization. Last but not least, don't forget to track your progress and optimize your strategies. Social media platforms offer powerful analytics tools that provide valuable insights into your audience's behavior, content performance, and engagement metrics. Use this data to refine your approach, identify what works best, and make data-driven decisions. Experiment with different posting times, frequency, and content formats to optimize your results. Additionally, stay updated with the latest social media algorithm changes and platform updates. This will help you adapt your strategies and stay ahead of the curve. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks, our top 5 social media marketing strategies to take your business to new heights. Remember to define your goals, know your audience, create engaging content, collaborate with influencers, and continuously analyze and optimize your strategies. Implement these strategies consistently and watch your business thrive in the vast world of social media. That's it for today's episode. We hope you found these tips helpful. If you have any questions or want to share your social media success stories, feel free to leave a comment below. Stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time. If you enjoyed our video, please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel for future updates. Thanks for watching.